Hello YouTube. Just back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix the audio sound problem in Windows computer. You may face audio disabled or not hearable, or which is a general audio problem. So in this video we are going to see 4 solutions to solve this problem. So the first solution would be which is a common solution: make sure you do not turn off your sound. So in order to check that, go here, right click on it and select here open volume mixer, and make sure all the volume related applications are under the hearable level. So if it is, maybe some of the time it will be closed for the system sound or from the speaker. So make sure you turn on all the volume bars. So after you check all this informations, then the second one will be reinstalling back. In order to do that, again we are going to click here the search icon and type here device manager, then open the device manager and go here on the bottom and click here the arrow, then select the right audio driver for your computer. In my case it's Realtek high definition audio, then select which is the audio driver, then select here update the driver. Then after that click here browse my computer for driver. Then after that click here which is let me pick from the list of available driver on my computer, and here I have 2 drivers. So make sure you select each of them and you try. In my case here it's a great selected one, the Realtek high definition audio. Just I'll select the other one. If you are using this one, select this one. If you are using this one, just select. In your case you may find 5 or 3 or 2 different drivers, so make sure you try each of them. So select the one that you are not using right now, and after that click next. Then it will start installing the high definition audio device. Then after that wait until it will complete the installation, then restart your computer. So after you did this, if the computer is still have the audio problem, then the third solution would be modifying the speaker properties. So in order to modify the speaker properties, we are going to click here the search icon and type here control panel. So here the control panel, then open it and click here the sound option. So after you find the sound option, make sure you select the right speaker. In my case I already have one. In your case you may have different speakers, so select the specific speaker and click on the properties. Then after that you find here the properties, then make sure you select the level, and here also the speakers are working under the balancer, the left and right. Here it's 100 and here it's 100, and make sure you select OK. And also go here which is the advanced option. Select advanced and check here which is the arrow. Select the arrow and you will have here different qualities. So make sure you select each of them and you test the sound. So it will give you some kind of sounds from the left and the right side, and when you get the good sound that you prefer, then select here OK. Do the same for each of them. So this will be the other solution. So after you did modify the speaker properties, if the problem still occurs, checking your Windows audio service. So in order to do that, again go here, click the search icon and type here services. So here we found the services, and after we found the services, scroll down and find for Windows audio service, which is on the bottom section, which is Windows audio service. Here we found the Windows audio, so select that and right click on it and click on the properties option, and make sure you select automatic, which is from the list of drop down. Select automatic and select start and select here apply and click here OK. Then it will going to select or run it as automatic. Then close the service section. Then after that restart your computer. and this will help you to fix your audio sound problems on your computer. So these are the solution to fix your problem, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.